Hello, 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 humanity. Long time it seems, right? I had intentions on coming to you guys yesterday, but the aches wouldn't allow it. I initially had wanted to prepare the cheesy breadsticks along with a chili wrap, and I didn't get a chance to, but I did, however, get a chance to do the garlic cheese breadsticks the day before. So hopefully, I got a quite busy day ahead of me today, but hopefully I can end it off with the still bringing the recipe for the chili wraps. So anyway, the garlic cheese breadsticks are extremely simple and extremely affordable as well. All I did basically was use the same recipe that I use for the pizza dough crust, my biscuits, and all of that. But there was an added addition. I used the Old Bay seasoning along with quite a bit of garlic. So this is all I did. I took a half a box of cream cheese and put that in a bowl. And then I took almost a half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and I put that in a microwavable dish, and I put it in the microwave, and I put it on maybe a minute, because you want it to melt. And when you after that minute, you may not even need quite a minute. If check it like after about 40, 45 to 50 seconds. And the reason why I say that, if you're not careful, it'll brown, almost to a burning. So you want to be mindful of that. But I'm almost sure that 1 minute should do you good. And so when you take it out, you want to stir it maybe about 15 times, and it's crucial that you stir it while it's hot, because that gives you that dough effect. And then you're going to sprinkle in 3 tablespoons. And remember, we talked about that with the spoons. The tablespoons are the larger of the spoons, and then the teaspoons are the smaller of the teaspoons. You're going to take 3 tablespoons of coconut, two tablespoons. I'm sorry, I split it up. 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, and then 1 tablespoon of oat flour. And if you find that you like a more doughy type of breadstick, you can just go with 3 tablespoons of the coconut flour, as opposed to splitting it up with 2 tablespoons of the coconut flour, and then 1 tablespoon of the oat flour. And then you're going to sprinkle in a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and then a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. And you'll stir all that up with the flour, and you should have something that looks like a ball, literally a ball of dough. And then you're going to just take that and tear off pieces enough that would allow you to form not so long, not so long of breadsticks. I really had my intentions were to have the real long and lengthy breadsticks, but by the dough being comprised of cheese and cream cheese, I'm assuming, I don't really know. I'm not a baker, so but I'm assuming that's the reason why I couldn't quite get that length without eventually it started breaking. So it'll give you a real nice formation of a nice thick breadsticks, almost similar to the size and the shape of the ones that I have illustrated in the photograph. But I know you've seen the ones that they look like they're twisted and they're long in length. That's really what I wanted to go for. But nevertheless, these breadsticks, they were really, really, really good. And so after you form, you should. I really don't know how many. I can't quite remember how many you should be able to get out of that recipe. But just form your breadsticks until all of the dough mixture is gone. And preset your oven to about 375, depending on how your oven works. Spray, you're going to spray your pan with a cooking spray so your breadsticks don't stick. And then after you get them placed, and make sure they're not touching each other in the pan, and then you'll just go across them and sprinkle garlic. And remember what we said: personalization and customization is key. So you may be one of those ones that really go for a really garlicky breadstick. You may even like more of an onion taste. You may even want, to sprinkle. They have that butter, the butter seasoning. You don't want to put actual butter on it because that's cheese. The breadsticks are mostly comprised of cheese and cream cheese. And so anyway, just sprinkle what you want on top, and then put them in the oven and let them brown for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side, and then take them out, let them cool. And I really found them to be pretty tasty. So that's it for this particular recipe, humanity. I'm going to try before I leave to bring you a little excerpt on garlic. I take a lot of garlic, and I've had people to ask me what are the benefits of it, so I'm going to try to see if I can find some medicinal things, and then bring that to you quickly. But don't hold that to my charge if I don't get it to you before tonight. Okay, you know how we ended humanity.